Hey guys, welcome to Coding with Aarav. Today we're going to learn about integers, which is a number. So integers are just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So as an integer, you could add them like 1 plus 2. So then we know that will give like 3. And this is called an operator. So plus is an operator, minus is 1. So that now we're going to get -1. And multiplication is a number, and multiplication is an operator. That's 2. Divide is an operator. That's 3. Now these are the simple methods. The advanced ones are like maybe like a square. So let me just not use the 1 for this. Let me use a 5. Then I'll put not a multiply like this, not a star. I'll put 2 stars. So then that would be 25. So it will multiply. So and to the 5 to the power of 2. If you do 5 to the power of 5, you'll get this number. This is pretty big. And like that. Now let's do floor division. In that you need to use double division. So let's use another number. So let's use maybe 5 and then 2. And then 2. So it'll actually round the answer to below. So if we do 5 divided by 2, we know that it's 2.5. So it'll round it down, so it'll be 2. So that's our output, 2. Let me do another example. If we do 7, and then we'll do 7 floor division 2, then what do you think it should be? It will be 3, like this, because if you do 7 divided by 2, let's see what happens. 7 divided by 2, we'll get 3.5. If we round it down, we'll get 3. So, yeah. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.